everybody. Thanks for tuning in tuning into our little episodes here we have at yougrowfood.com. I just wanted to do a quick little introduction into some about topping off your water. If you are checking your water and you're down a gallon or two, just getting an old distilled water bottle, or even if you use distilled water, that's fine too. This is not distilled water. This is tap water. All my water is filtered through activated carbon filter and sediment filters. I don't go as far as RO, but the chlorine level in my water is very minimal. But that's okay because you need a little chlorine for your plants. It is a mineral that is in the plants. But if you want to neutralize the chlorine, you can do that with a little what is it, ascorbic acid? Hold on, I actually have it. Give me 1 second. I'll bring it over to us. And okay, here it is. Sodium ascorbate. Okay, so I mean, this stuff is just vitamin C powder, but using the sodium ascorbate powder, it doesn't screw up your chemicals, so to speak. I hate saying chemicals, but it doesn't screw up your minerals. But this will neutralize chlorine. What it does is it binds to the chlorine and makes it pretty much just inert. So you use literally 1/8 for 20 gallons of water. So using a little bit of this goes a long way. And that's all you need. So I'm not going to use it in this one because I'm only adding 1 gallon, so I'm not concerned about the negligible amount of chlorine it'll be adding. But I want to show you this. Okay, so I got these fluid syringes, and these are I got these through Amazon, of course. There's like a pack of 5 or 10, and they're exactly 20 mLs. So 20 milliliters in each syringe, which is exactly what we need from parts A and part B of our mineral solution per gallon. So, I mean, it's just so simple. You just always make sure you shake up your fluids. Take that off. We'll grab a little bit of part A. Okay, I hope I'm doing that on screen. Oh, missed it. So tip it a little bit, suck up a little bit. Alright, so 20 mLs of part A. Not too hard. Close that up. Shake up part B. Notice the light's a little purple. That's because I'm only using the light from our new Agrivolution indoor fruiting plant light, which is red-white combination. If you haven't heard about us using the Agrivolution, then I could put the link in the information below. All right, so we're going to have 20 mLs of part B. So there we go, part A and part B. Not difficult to do. Looks like I'm going to do an oil change or something here. No, not an oil change, but lube some chassis parts. So we'll just put in part A and give it a little bit of a shake, and then add part B, and there you have it. That's all you need to do. But I tell you, for 1 gallon at a time, these things are beautiful. Makes everything nice and quick. So that's it. Now you just pour this into your reservoir, and you're good to go for your topping off. You can do that per gallon, or you can, however low you are. I keep the thing full. So that my pepper plants and stuff get all the nutrients they need, and whatever else they don't need for the other plants. I haven't run into a problem yet with that. So I think that's part of it. People tell you not to use peppers and tomatoes in the same tower as you use herb-like plants, such as your basils and your chard and stuff like that. But I'm doing it successfully, and the reason I'm doing it successfully is because I think the peppers are sucking up the extra nutrients that the other plants don't use, so they don't get the burn. And if they do get burned, it's very little. So I haven't seen it get bad yet. So, all right, that's it for now. This is Dave from You Grow Food. Give us a like in the video. Give us a like below, and see you in our next episode.